welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into Memo Paris. Bam! Look at the shimmer. Look at the, look at the, look at the, look at the shimmer. All right, there's something to be happy about when opening these up. They're all in order. It's a beautiful packaging. We're already starting off in a great day. I'm going to read you some of the literature that they have given us, that they've provided us, right? Okay, because it gives it correct enunciation. This is Inle. Inle is an Osmanthus submerged in a cloud of tea. I'm in. Time stands still over Inle, Lake of Burma. This fragrance reflects the tranquility with its jasmine, mate, and osmanthus. Mate. I've never heard that before. Absolute. This floral fragrance offers a trail of floating gardens and orchards that from Asia, a shimmering lake of golden skies, wandering clouds, and radiant lights. Inle. And there is the image. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can never tell what is in frame. All right. So it's yeah, it's blue clouds. Blue clouds. Blue clouds. All right. Cumulonimbus. All right. Inle. So it has a little bit of color to it. Just a slight tinge. Slight tinge. Slight tinge indeed. All right, we're going to go. I got a spot. I'm going to go ahead and get this to the other arm. I'm going to go ahead and start here. Yesterday was chest day, so this is a bit of a struggle. Here we go. Eventually. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got a bad atomizer here. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe it was just, I don't know. So, man, that's way too much. This is some good Yo! I'm speechless. Wow. Let's get into the definitely tea, definitely floral, definitely some musk. Let's get into the note breakdown. This smells amazing, guys. We have floral, white note, white floral, green, fruity, fresh spice, aromatic, citrus, musky. Musky is always funny. And powdery. I'm trying to figure out, if it's a unisex fragrance or not. My initial impressions is yes, but it's definitely leaning feminine. Let's look at the notes. You have tea in the top notes, neroli. Man, the same gigantic ad. Wow. All right, tea in the top notes, neroli, essence, bergamot, and cardamom. In the top notes, in the middle notes, you have osmanthus, jasmine, sambuc, fig, and in the base, you have mate. Musk, violet, and cedarwood. What is mate? Let's look at that. Or is it mate? Let's see. It's green herbs and fougères. It's in that group. It's a bitterish tea note from Latin America, sometimes used to reinforce herbal aspects or tone down floral notes. So to me, I'm getting earthy type of feel. This is beautiful, guys. So it's a very simple middle of the pack type of fragrance. Like there's no highs, no lows. It's a tea fragrance, a traditional tree fragrance, in my opinion. It's not like lifted by anything, right? When you think of like oolong chai, or I think that's how you say it, oolong chai. That's a tea note, but it's lifted with bright notes. I don't know. I think maybe bergamot or maybe grapefruit or something like that. But this is a tea note. Man, I do think of clouds. Like it's definitely a very earthy tea note, but it's lifted. But it's not like sparkling. It's almost like a robust skin scent. It's almost like a very natural fragrance. It doesn't smell like, man, I messed up all these things. It doesn't smell like something that is It doesn't smell like something that's constructed. This smells like something that you would like, I don't know, be, excuse me, walking through some type of like, I don't want to say like out back because it smells refined, but I would say like you would be walking in like some type of environment, some type of, you know what I'm getting an image of? I'm getting an image, and I have no idea where this Burma is at, but I'm getting an image of walking through like a Japanese city or something like that, that's really clean, organized, fall leaves, and the smell that you get when like the wind kicks up and it swirls the leaves and stuff and blows it past you. That's what I'm getting. I'm spitting all over the place. I'm excited. That's what I'm getting. But it does have like a powdery aspect to it, which makes it lean a little feminine. I think that might be the violet, or maybe it's the fig. I'd have to see what the dry down is like. I'd have to see. Oh man, I reviewed Inle earlier. I think it was Inle. No, not Inle. Ithaque, and it smells good. But anyway, yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Again, I'm not certain which side of the fence it leans on. I have to see what the dry down is like. But going into the mid, it hasn't changed up much. It's still that earthy tea. The mate, I think, is really making it like adding some texture to it, if that makes sense, a little friction to it. As far as when I wear this, I could see this being in like a, you know, you could definitely wear this on a summer day. I think this will project like crazy on like a summer day or with a lot of body heat or like humidity. I think it'll like push hard. It's 50 something degrees outside, so I don't think it's got a lot of legs, but this reminds me of those fragrances that like get empowered in humidity, right? I want to say there's like some type of, maybe it's the violet. I want to say there's some type of rose in here, but it's probably just the violet. Anyway, man, we're 2 for 2 in the house of Memo. The house of Memo Paris. We are 2 for 2. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Yeah, this is like a body skin scent. Yeah. Anyway, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Let me know, what do you guys think of Memo Paris? The house of Memo Paris. All these things are like kind of jostled around. Let me know what you guys think. I'm a big fan so far. Big fan so far. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Go ahead and check them out. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.